Good morning, babe! Yung lips ko dito nag-chop. Like, parang joker na ako kasi. Ang top, ito ang bottom. It's not about you, it's about them. Pero that time, wala akong budget pa for that. Recently, overwhelmed ako. Sorry. Sorry. Hindi. Good morning, babe! So yeah, currently it's 10:51 a.m. and this will be my first ever vlog because I'm bringing with you late. I'm bringing you with me later to my first ever event this 2026. So yeah, so first, kakatapos ko lang maghilamos. Then, actually, I slept so late, like 3 a.m. kasi may ginawa pa ako. And yeah, we just woke up and preparing for the day. So I'm sharing with you, kakatapos lang maghilamos, hindi ko na kayo nasali during hilamos. But then, ito yung gamit ko for my cleansing sa face. So it's the Pond's Hydra Miracle Ultra Light Biome Gel. So cleanser, gentle cleanser. You know guys, it's really gentle to skin and I love it so much. Like, I can't live without it na. Kasi so far, sa mga facial na natry ko, that one is so smooth and gentle sa skin and na-remove niya talaga yung mga dirt sa skin ko without scrubbing too much. Kasi wala nga siyang scrub. Okay, so this is my non-negotiable. Actually, I will be sharing much of this sa vlog ko kasi this is really my favorite Carmex. I first used it sa Taiwan kasi so cold doon. Tapos yung lips ko dito nag-chop. Like parang joker na ako kasi I don't know if ako lang no. So tell me if also you can relate. Dito, nagsusugat. So nahati talaga yung lips ko dito. Like parang akong si joker na. And it's so, ang sakit niya. So, the moment, nagli-lip balm talaga ako. So, I've been using many products, ganun. Pero sa Taiwan, the moment I used this, kasi nabili ko lang to sa Watsons sa Taiwan, it's a game changer for me. Like, super. Kasi after noon, parang after 24 hours or less than lang, pag wake up ko, wala na yung ko dito, sugat ko dito. So, I really recommend this to you guys. So, ngayon, happy ako kasi nakita ko din pala siya sa Watsons. Dito pala sa department store sa SM. So, I think sa akin SM North, I think any branches. And yeah, this will be my serum for the day because morning I practice myself to be really intentional every day. So, I really want na every morning, may walk talaga ako, like morning walk. Or kung hindi man ako maka-gym or exercise, I can do evening walk also. So, this will be our serum, the Pond's UV Miracle. 4R, protect and repair. Ano pa yung boses ko? Kasi kakawikap ko lang. Nakailamas ko nga. So yeah. Kasi lalabas tayo. We really need protection sa face. Also, madami nagtatanong, kita nyo ba yan yung under eyes ko? Kasi siya, diba? Parang maitim. So let me tell you guys na yan siya. Parang hereditary ko siya. Parang naman ako siya sa lola ko. I don't know, pero sa grandparents ko ganun. Tapos, mas lumala lang siya. Super, like ngayon, kasi, ako, puyat. Then, lalo na pag may sakit ako guys, parang na siyang magba-violet or what. So, it's really, parang trademark ko na talaga yan. So, ganyan na talaga ang face ko. I've tried many products before, pampawala niyan, ganyan. I even consulted, a doctor for it. So, parang nagtanong lang kasi I have a friend. Pero sabi niya, ang magkaano daw dyan, yung fillers, ganun. Kasi minimal lang yung ma-provide ng mga creams. Pero ang let me share to you, naka-help din sa parang light lesson sa under eye area ko, this one. The Pond's Hexyl Retinol for under eye. So, it's eye cream. Yeah. Yan yung naka-help. Kasi syempre, we still really need to use products sa under eyes natin. Though hindi talaga siya ma-remove fully. Kasi sabi ko nga, hereditary na yung sa akin. Tapos lumalala pa siya pag huyat ako or may sakit, gano'n. Then, may Biome Gel. This Biome Gel, guys, is really, really, really so nice sa skin, I tell you. So, after mo most especially na after mo maghilamos ganyan, or before makeup, most especially before makeup, it's really so nice. So guys, medyo gumaganon talaga ako sa morning, like, ganun. Kasi meron akong din allergy rhinitis or ganun. Pero nawawala siya pag ma-expose ako sa sunlight. That's why I really need to expose myself to sunlight and to social activities so that let's be, healthy this 2026, lalo na this year. And yeah, so that's it. And we're just getting ready for our morning walk. So share ko sa inyo yung outfit ko. So this time, let's behave for getting active this morning. So my outfit is this, burlook. Yan, ang top. Ito ang bottom. Ang ganda nito guys, lightweight. Actually, sponsored to. Pinadala nila sa akin. And I'm so kilig. Like guys, they're so mabait. Ang bait talaga nila. So, bis lang ako. Wait for a sec. And yeah, we're done. So, this will be our outfit check. Ang gulo pa kasi ng bed, guys. Kaya nakahap lang muna. Wait, let me talk. Yes, this is our outfit of the day for our morning walk. So, yan siya. Sorry na, babe. I-fix ko lang yung bed ko later. Ngayon pala, before moving out. Yeah, I also practice myself na after waking up, as much as possible, I must fix my bed agad kasi parang nalilinaw yung mind ko. Yeah, it gives me sanity, parang ganon. Tapos makes me prepare and gear up for the day. Parang ganon. So, yeah. And yeah, tapos na tayo mag-fix ng bed. O, diba, sabi ko kanina before heading out, pero ginawa na natin. So, yeah, ngayon naman, mag-put lang tayo ng onting dito sa under eye natin. Para hindi naman tayo mukhang zombie, diba? Sa lubos. Ito pala is the corrector na ginagamit ko. Kasi super black talaga ng under eyes. Super black? Di ba pwedeng na? Yeah. Radiance Tint. This is in medium pitch from Get Ready With Me. Pinurchase ko to guys, binili ko talaga to for my under eye. And nakita nyo ba yan? Sa La Panda?
Pero ano ba yung mga SG Ready?
Yan.
Nasa NCR.
Ayan, nakita nyo yan sila Panda. Naging favorite toy ko na talaga yan. Actually, may story behind that. Kasi noon, binubuli kasi ako like, panda kasi sa under eye ko. And noon, of course, syempre, pag bata tayo, pag binubuli tayo, we get hurt, ganun. Tapos parang, nasing ko that time, na panda or so gentle and cute, diba? So, anong meron kung So, parang tinik ko na lang siya positively. Like, ang cute naman ng pandas. And they are so gentle, they are so cute, and they are so sweet. Until then, naging favorite ko na sila. After, naging favorite ko talaga sila. Then, may stuffed toys akong pandas. And yun lang, parati kong kasama sa sleep, sa tulog. Pero, always remember na it's not about you, it's about them. So, parang ganun. Done! O, diba? Na-cover niya yung dark areas. Yun ang partner ko. Wait. So, ito yung gamit ko. The GR Get Ready With Me. And ito lang minimix ko, si Careline Oriental. Medium pitch Get Ready With Me and si Oriental. Yan lang minimix ko for my under eye. Yan. Then, for our lippy, since ayoko naman super red, ganun. Red. Ayoko super yawan na halatang may lippy. So, I'm using this Bare and Bliss Rose Glaze. Yeah, Rose Glaze Tint. Luminous. Yeah, alam ko ito eh. Oh, favorite ko to. Nakailang purchase ako nito. Tapos, affordable lang si Bare and Bliss. Ayan. That's it. Wow. So, lang. Very light lang siya. Sa lippy. And now, for our shoes and go out na tayo. For our shoes, ito Fila ang gamit ko for my walking. Kasi ito siya, lightweight to, and I like it. Plus, si Fila is not that pricey, diba? And noon, I have Nike na shoes for my walking, pero kasi naiwan ko siya sa province. So, I need to buy one,
Hello, bro.
new one. So yeah, I need to find a new one. Kasi syempre, hinahanap ko lang that time, naka-sale and affordable. Actually, gusto ko talaga sana New Balance. Pero that time, wala akong budget pa for that. Kasi parang, nag-strict talaga sa budgeting, ganyan. Tapos, yung finances, dapat tipid lang. So, feel lang, I got this 2,000 pesos lang kasi dapat 4K siya. And nag-sale, 50%. And yeah. Hi guys, and yes, we're out for a walk. Actually, it's already 11:46 a.m. And I know hindi na healthy ang sun at this time. Pero yeah, we just need to keep the discipline and just walk. Just walk kahit medyo late na. Kasi I'm going to get so busy today. Kaya nag-vlog din ako for today. Ano ba yan? Sinama ko kayo, nag-vlog din ako. Wala nga akong tripod na I'm just using my hand. Okay. Kaya sinama ko din kayo today. Kasi, yeah, I just want you to also, I want you to bring with me. Paano? Gusto ko kayo isama, ganun na lang. Gusto ko kayo isama sa first ever event ko this 2026. Nahiya ako, may tao pala doon. Ang lakas ng boses ko. Yeah, so ito yung outfit ko. Ayan. To clear day. Wow. It's light pink and I really like it. Kasi parang yung nagpa-color analysis ako, light colors daw ako ang bagay sa akin. Mga cool tone. Yeah. And I'm practicing it also. And I'm so happy na okay siya sa skin ko. Sa skin tone ko. Color. So I guess we'll just going to have 5 laps. Parang 5 na ikot for today. Bilisan ko lang. Kasi after that, I'm going to eat. Mabilis. Then shower. Then actually shower talaga muna. Then eat. Then prepare myself kasi parang sakto din kasi magpapa-haircut ako onte. So, ipapa-ayos ko na din ang hair ko for the event. Wow. May mga kids, ito yung playground. So, ang saya lang. Also sharing, I have this Ring Air with me. Ito yung nagta-track ng health data ko. Ito yung nagta-track ng health data ko kasi parang super lightweight lang din niya. During sleep, I wear this. Tapos pagka-wake up ko, I can see the details, kung stress ba ako, stimulated, or anong kailangan ko pang gawin to improve my sleeping habits, and anong best na to go out for an exercise, or the best time to get the healthy sun for your skin. Parang ganon. So, gamit ko din siya sa mga events. Ito pala siya is raw titanium. Ito yung color na pinili ko to fit to all of my outfits. And ang ganda niya talaga. Swear. Yes, I really love it. And yeah, sharing lang. I just posted kasi parang yung about gratitude every day. Talking about it, yeah, kasi recently overwhelmed ako. Sorry no, wala pa akong mic. Kasi parang i-orderin ko pa lang siya. So yeah, parang recently overwhelmed ako. But I practice myself every day na during wake up, I pray and always think of things na like I can still wake up. Parang super grateful na the moment you open your eyes and you can breathe and complete ang body parts mo. And healthy yung loved ones mo. Ganon. Then you have roof above your head. You have food to eat. Ano pa ba? You have God with you. You are well. And bakit ka masad? Or diba, minsan kasi like us girls, aminin natin, medyo meron tayong hormones na hindi natin maintindihan. But important thing is that we get to embrace it, accept it, and think na anong solution for that? Bakit natin nafe-feel yan? So, anong ways na para hindi natin ma-feel yan or mawala siya. Pero, ang sabi ko lang, pag may feeling kayo na sadness or that, don't avoid it. Embrace it, then let go of it. So that mas easy siya. Parang ganun din ginagawa ko. So yeah, I pray and also I share contents for it. So hopefully guys, you can see my posts about it and to get you also motivated for inspiration. Talking about pala first vlog. Actually, hindi ko pala to first vlog na kung makikita nyo naman. Pero long vlog kasi. Parang ito yung so far pinakamaayos or first na long vid this 2026 na gagawin. Yeah, ito yung parang first long vid na gagawin kong maayos sa 2026 kasi yung kaka-upload ko lang na art for my bestie, actually matagal na yun, in-upload ko lang. Yeah, kasi nga noon, video ako na video, tapos na-overwhelm kasi ako sa YouTube. Actually, active talaga ako sa IG, TikTok, FB, ganon. Pero sa YouTube, medyo na-overwhelm ako, so nag-shorts lang naman ako, ganon. Tapos pag shorts, meaning mga short vlogs. Tapos kung nagtra-travel ako, kami, ni boyfriend ko, fiancé, yeah, na-overwhelm ako kasi pag traveling kasi parang gusto ko na manamnam siya, na parang yung, I don't know if ako lang, tell me if kayo din, parang na-overwhelm ako if nagvo-vlog ako traveling kasi I don't want na to go always virtual during vlog. During travel, gusto ko inamnam siya yung travel. So parang nakat-cut siya until hindi ko nagawa yung video. Tapos until yung nawala na siya sa phone, yung ibang clips. Kasi na full na yung storage ko and I need na mag-save more storage for my contents. So yeah, ganon. Pero ngayon, I'm really trying my best. Ngayon, parang ginawa ko siyang right now, this 2026, I want to be very intentional to myself and discipline talaga. Yun talaga ang key. Discipline to help myself and to be very intentional sa pananamit ko. I want to look good. I want to feel good. So yeah, ito yung final ikot ko na and I'm going back to my unit na and eat and shower and yeah, see you guys. Hey babe, we're back. So tapos na ako kanina nag-walk, 'di ba? So nagmamadali talaga ako. Sorry, hindi ko na kayo na-update. Pero after niyan, kumain ako, nag-shower ako. Then ngayon, ready na ako. Pupunta ako sa mall to get my hair done. Actually kasi timing kasi, as I've said kanina, timing kasi magpapakat ako under ng hair. So, since meron akong event later, so, isasabay ko na siya. Kasi diba, pag cut ng hair, ayusin nila. So, ipa-curl ko lang siya onte and that's it. And, lagay lang tayong onting lipis. Wait, may concealer pala. May concealer. Actually, ang event ko later pa naman gabi. Pero kasi, ang dami ko pang, may i-shoot pa ako after. So, we have here our tint. This is medium peach, yung sabi ko kanina. Na corrector. So, we need to cover that. Actually, yung pala, yung hairstylist ko is, actually, hindi ko naman siya private hairstylist. Siya lang kasi na timing na pag nagpapakat ako ng hair, siya yung nagkakat ng hair ko. Tapos ang gusto ko talaga yung gawa niya. So by the way, Tony and Jackie ako later. So malapit lang siya dito, lalakarin ko lang pa mall. Kasi syempre, we need to be wise, para hindi na tayo mag-grab, mag-transpo. So I just have to walk it lang sa mall. And we're done. So lagay lang ako anting concealer, light makeup lang. Kasi magme-makeup, full makeup man tayo later. Yan. This is Careline Oriental na concealer. Actually, this one is spot concealer siya. Pero I asked the sales lady doon if okay din ba siya, safe ba siya here sa under eye. Kasi parang nagustuhan ko talaga siya i-mix sa corrector ko. And bagay siya sa under eye ko. So, sabi nila, okay naman daw, safe naman. So, yeah, yun ang gamit ko. So, yan. Pinadry ko lang yung lip tint. Ito, sinishare ko na itong lip tint sa ano ko. Sa post ko. Itong Dinto. Ganda talaga nito, babe. Ayan lang. Onte lang, para may pop of color lang. Then, ipapadry ko siya onte para lagyan natin ng Ceremoise later. Ceremoise, yung glow lip serum. Para medyo mag-plumpy-plumpy siya. Then, I'll be using this Maybelline, New York All-in-One. Ito, nude beige. Nude beige, ito na talagang gamit ko, no? Ano siya, powder. Powder siya. Powder foundation. Tap, tap, tap. To get that fresh finish. Finish. Ayan, kasi nagmamadali tayo. And that's it. Simple lang kasi ano din naman later eh. Magme-makeup for the event. Then Ceremoise. Then ako mag-shower, magbihis. Ready to go to the mall to get our hair done. Ganda nito, babe. Ito gusto ko kasi pwede siya sa lahat. I-partner mo siya sa lahat ng lipstick mo if you want. Para for that plumpy effect. Ayan siya for my daily lipping ngayon. I-clip ko lang yung hair ko. Clip ko na lang siya. Super ako ba? Hindi siya. Super.
It's a beautiful day. Oh.
So, let's Gina. So, I'll see you. So, here yung salon for my hair. Tony and Jackie. It's a Korean salon, by the way. Babe, for an update, hindi ko na tinuloy yung sa Tony and Jackie, yung sa hair ko. Kasi aside sa wala yung stylist ko, medyo masungit yung nasa reception. And wala na din akong gana. Sakto din, bumili na lang ako ng hair oil. So, ito yung hair oil. So, yeah, bumili na lang akong hair oil. Ako na lang, so mamadiliin ko na talaga ngayon yung ko and everything. Tapos mag-shoot pa, then let's go na. Dapat before 7 p.m. nasa area na tayo. So, see ya guys. So, transition pa bahay. See ya! And we're here! Ayan, so, mamamadali na, makeup na. So, mamaya ko na-explain guys. Kung gusto nyo makita yung makeup na ginamit ko or what, just comment down below para mag-make na lang tayo ng ibang video that time. So, okay, makeup lang ako and I'll be back.
It's a beautiful day. The moon is sunshine.
Nagmamadali na. So, hindi na tayo naka-record kanina.
View the video of what it means.
Nakauwi na tayo finally from our event. I'm sorry, hindi masyado ako nakapag-vlog doon kasi during the event, daming pangyayari as in. Tapos ngayon, super pagod talaga ako kasi kakatapos ko lang magligpit kasi sobrang kalat. Kasi nagmamadali na ako kanina, alam niyo yun, during yung kanina, sinabi ko. Then, yeah, ngayon, unboxing tayo. Not totally unboxing. Yung lang, yung PR na binigay ni Unilever sa amin. So, we have here, taran! Beauty and Well-Being, Unilever. Thank you so much, Unilever family. Actually, isisingit ko na lang dito yung clips during the event. Pagdating ko, of course, registration, tapos diretso na kasi pa-start na talaga. Buti nakaabot tayo. So, pa-start na yung event. Then, after that, sakto lang pagdating ko, parang few minutes na lang, nag-start na. And I'm so happy na from the start to finish, natapos natin well yung event. Tapos, isa sa nakita ko kanina, nandun si Zainab Harake. Yeah, isa siya sa guest ng Unilever. And all the other co-content creators. And nandun din yung mga head ng Unilever. Tapos yung agencies. And as well as the officers. So yeah, proceed tayo. Ano siya? Ayan. Napunit. We have here, first is our Thanksgiving perfume. So we have here perfume. So makikita nyo, Tito Pons, Vaseline Dove. Thank you so much. Napili ko, meron scents dito. Balm scent siya. Perfume balm siya. Ang napili ko is si Celine. Ito siya, guys. Ang bango niya. Parang yung scent niya is parang yung bagong ligo ka. Like, amoy powder, fresh lang, ganon. Which is, I really like. Then, after that, you have here, ta-da! Ring. Custom ring. So, thank you so much. It is by Pulse Ras by Kim. Pulse Ras. Parang ganon. So, we have here a ring. Dang! It's a ring. Gold ring. Tapos may free engraving siya. PB nakalagay. Kasi Phoebe ako. So, PB, since 2 letters lang. Thank you! So cute! Then, of course, Unilever is not Unilever without its main products. Of course, the products nila. So, first, we have here Lip Pons. Ultralight Biome Gel. Ultralight Biome Gel. Cleanser. So, we have here the lotion. Lotion. Ito talagang favorite ko. So, sa mga nagtatanong pala kung ano yung best for me sa Vaseline lotion, kasi syempre hindi mo naman siya sabay-sabay. Actually, lahat gusto ko, pero yung pinaka-favorite ko, yung ginagamit ko talaga, hanap-hanap siya ng body ko, ng skin ko is this, Vaseline Glutathione Overnight. Kasi grabe yung moisture niya. Tapos, ito naman is best for protection, sun protection. Actually, nung nag-beach kami, nung sa Boracay, ito yung gamit ko, parang anti-sunburn na din. Tapos, true to its parang promise, parang ganun, hindi ako nag-sunburn on my skin, yeah. So, that's it. Then, we have Thermoscope Soothing Moisture Anti-Dandruff Shampoo. Alam nyo ba, guys, nung wala pa to, yung nila original, yung dati nila old, the violet one, yun talaga ang gamit ko ng shampoo kasi dinadandruff talaga ako. Tapos nung gamit ko yun lang talagang nakapagwala ng dandruff ko. For real. Yes, for real. Tapos ngayon, bagong packaging nila. So ito na din yung gamit ko ngayon, the anti-dandruff. Then, Tresemme. Yes, part of Unilever. We have here Tresemme Keratin Smooth Conditioner. So, kung may shampoo, may conditioner. And yeah, that's it. Tapos, of course, inuwi ko yung name ko. Although, walang E here. Kasi Phoebe Ann, may E tayo sa Ann natin. Espina. Oh, thank you so much, Unilever. This is my second year of Thanksgiving to them. That's why I'm so happy. I'm so happy to be invited to the Thanksgiving sa ating Unilever family. Kasi every time nagawa talaga ko ng contents, they're one of the brands that really, that I really love. Then, I always keep on using, of course. Since hindi pa naman ako naggawa ng contents for them, nagawa ng contents about the brand, I really use it na. So, that's why, before ko pa ma-share, kung yung sinishare ko, that's my true story. Yung, effect niya sa akin, sa skin ko, sa face ko, sa pond, sa Vaseline, sa skin ko, sa body, sa hair ko, sa Dove. Yun talaga siya ang gamit ko. So, parang more on, siya, touch talaga sa personality ko. Touch! Connected, ganun. So, kanina hindi ko pala na-share yung nabili ko na hair oil. Hair oil sa Loop. Kasi, di ba hindi tayo kasi, di ba hindi tayo na-continue or natuloy dun sa salon, nagpa-cut sana ako ng hair onte, tapos styling na din. So, ito yung binila natin, hair oil. Ito na talagang gamit ko, kasi naubos na. So, napabili na lang tuloy ako ng hair oil. Ito siya, si Argan Glow Moroccan Oil. So, siya, 30 ml. Itong small lang muna ang binili ko. Small din yung first ko. Tapos naubos na kasi. I'm planning sana to buy the big one. Pero small lang muna. Kasi yun ang pasok sa budget natin, girl. Tapos isabay ko na ngayon yung unboxing natin ng Ziben. Ito, isa sa products to na nice na makeup remover. Yung makeup remover siya. Tapos may balm, may serum din siya. Tapos nice din siya sa skin. Actually, mild lang siya. Tapos ito, pinadalhan nila ako. Thank you so much, Ziben, for the products. Ngayon ko na i-unbox para yung box maano ko na. Kasi taking so much space na. Though every package ko, hindi ko naman siya agad-agad tinatapon kasi nasasayangan ako. At least nag-iwan ako at least one lang para remembrance, parang ganun. Pero katagalan, syempre, na alikabok. Tinatapon ko na din. As long as ko na siya, nagamit na sa shoot, ganun. So, ito yung sa first box, of course, or lip balm. Ito yung pangalawang lip balm ko na sa Ziben. So, sisingit ko dito yung photo ng lip balm. Yung unang shoot ko para makita nyo yung inside. Ito kasi second ko to, so hindi ko pa kasi naubos yung first. So, hindi ko muna to i-open. Next box. So, talaga from small to big box. Si Ziben kasi, ang bongga ng packaging niya, isa-isa talaga. One product, one box. Ganun siya. Tapos, very neat. Very sealed yung package niya. Which I really like. Meaning, very protected din. Kasi sa loob, pag open mo, nakaganyan pa siya. Tadaan! Nagustuhan ko to. Kaya sabi nung nagtanong si Ziben kung na-like ko pa, if okay lang daw ba pa dala lang sila another products. Of course, nag-guess ako agad because I really like their products. And yes, so here's this second product of Ziben of our unboxing. This is the Total Solution Effective Serum. Tapos isisingit ko dito yung first product ko na serum na na-open ko kasi same lang naman sila. This is my second product. So, hindi ko pa kasi naubos yung second. So, yan siya. Then, so our third box. Ito talaga, ito yung pinaka-love ko sa Ziben. Yung nila, alam ko ano to eh. Yung makeup, balm. Makeup remover balm. Yung no need na ng cotton. Just your hand and the balm. And okay na. Ang cute pala ng details nito, ng Ziben. May nakalagay pa yan Ziben. Tapos heart yung niya. Cute lang. Ang ganda talaga ng packaging. Tapos ang ganda din naman ng product nila. This from China, by the way. Soothing Recovery Cleansing Balm. No emulsification needed. is really nice sa skin. Like, after mo maghilamos, clean, na-cleanse talaga. Clean talaga yung face mo. So, ganun yung na-feel ko. Sisingin ko dito yung inside niya para makita nyo yung first uploaded ko about Z-Pen. This is my second one. So, hindi ko pa kasi naubos yung first. Though, ginagamit ko siya now. And I'm so excited. May stocks ako. Then, babe, kakarating lang din pala sa package natin today. We have Easy Prep. Easy Prep or Easy Chicken. Easy Chicken from Easy Prep. And I'm so excited to eat this tomorrow. And I'll share to you my thoughts about this, guys. So, we have here Easy Chicken Original, 250 grams. And Easy Chicken Spicy, 250 grams. Ito siya na kuha ko sa TikTok. So, I'll be posting, tapos i-link ko din to. I'll be linking also the yellow basket on my video. So, ito kasi, high protein shredded. Nakalagay ito, high protein shredded chicken breast, no preservatives. So, yeah, if you are into healthy living or kung gusto mo, wala kang time, best din to sa mga wala masyadong time magluto, tapos gusto nilang healthy, ganyan. Okay yung ulam nila. So, this one, Easy Prep. So, I'll be sharing more about this on my upcoming vlog, upcoming video, and hope you'll get to watch it. So, yeah, ganun guys. Thank you so much for today. Ang daming pangyayari. O, diba? Naka-full makeup pa. Parang ang hirap tanggalin ng makeup pag naka-full. Diba? Parang sabi nila, it's so sayang parang to remove or nakakapanghinayang mag-remove ng good makeup. Good makeup. Kasi yung gamit ko talaga dito, mga magagandang makeup brands. So, yes, my local, a mix of local and also international brands. So, yeah, if you want me to share more about makeups that I'm using or I use, just comment down below. If like nyo, just comment makeup. Ganun. Para next vlog natin, we'll just focus on makeup alone and we'll do that. So, di ba nakita nyo kanina, sobrang dark ng under eye ko. Pero ngayon, na-cover niya talaga. Ayan. Although, di naman total, meron pa onte, pero super lang. Hindi siya ganun ka obvious. So, ganun ka ganda yung gamit ko sa under eye. I've been trial and error sa under eye area ko na makeups. Up until now naman, I still do trial and error kasi meron ding mga dumarating na magagandang brands, ganun. So, yeah, that's it. So, I'll be sharing more about it. Just comment makeup below, or if you want like food content, comment down below food or beauty, comment beauty, ganun. Or anything na you want for me to do a content with. So, yeah, ganun lang. So, thank you so much to my outfit, a savior burr look. So, yan. So, yeah, guys. Thank you so much. And yeah, I hope sa mga hindi pa nag-subscribe, please do subscribe my YouTube vlog. I'm just starting long videos, my long videos here in YouTube. And hope you're gonna subscribe as a support. Kasi full-time ko siyang gagawin talaga. Tapos, I'm going to strive hard. And madami pa tayong i-share sa vlog. So, yeah, like and hit the notification, the bell button. Ganun ba yun? Subscribe, like, and hit the bell button. Ganun. So, thank you so much. See you on the next one. 어떡해! 대박! Let's have love! TV! 안녕!